What's up, y'all? This your girl Tiffany LB back with another video. I done shut down for tonight. Now see, Bojangles done pissed me off. I told them I wanted 3 legs. They gon' Some told me to check my, and then they ain't even give me no damn fork or nothing. They ain't give me nothing to eat with. They is dead wrong. Ain't give me nothing to eat with. Let's see if that goes. See, now they done piss me off. I told them people I wanted 3 legs. 3 legs. I don't like this big piece of chicken. Well, anyway, now I got to be ratchet and use the doggone lid to eat my rice. Anyway, I wanted to tell y'all about the time I locked myself out the truck at the gas pump. That was so crazy. Because I was taught, anytime you go get you some gas while you're at the pump, make sure you lock your doors. So I'm pumping my gas, and after I finish pumping my gas, I need to put some def in. So I was about to get back in the truck to pull up some, to back up some, so I could put the def in the little def spot. Child, I got the trying to open up the door. The door would not open. The door would not open. I checked my pockets. I was like, oh my God, where is the key? Key in the damn ignition. The key in the doggone ignition. And the spare key was back here in the dang on bunk. What am I going to do with the spare key back here in the bunk? And I did not want to call a locksmith for them to come charge me between $300 to $500. Child, got on YouTube. I was at the Love, so I had to walk over to the shop to see if I can get like some little tools, because I was on YouTube and they say if you can open up your hood, you gotta unscrew some little screws and you can stick your hand through the thing where the ignition is at, and you can pull your keys out. Y'all, I was like, oh my God, I got to get this load on here to this place on time, and I done locked myself out of the truck. Thank God one of my fellow co-workers, I don't know this man, but I told him he was heaven sent. He was a 1,000,000-mile driver too. He was an older man. He was like, these freight liners easy to get into. If you got something for me to wedge the door open, I can get in less than 5 minutes. So I was like, what? I was like, please, oh my God. I was like, I'll go in and I'll buy the little locksmith kit. And I bought it too, y'all. Child, the people ain't, when I say them people slack, they slack. They did not give me no napkins or nothing. Yeah, but I bought the little kit thing, y'all. I don't know what this for, but I got it back here in my bunk. Yeah, the universal auto lockout toolkit. I bought it. When I said that man jumped up on that doggone tire and got in his truck less than 5 minutes, just like he said, he did. It didn't take him no time. And then if you would have called a locksmith, it would have been about $300 to $500 probably for a 5-minute job. They always be trying to get over on somebody. These people done piss me off. They give me these big old pieces of chicken. But anyway, to prevent myself from getting locked out ever again, I pray I don't get locked out again. This is what I do. This is what I did. Like, I don't know about other companies, but Werner, they give you little ID badges. And if your company don't give you this, and if you're new, you can go and you can buy you one. You can go buy you a little thing to put around your neck. So I got my spare key behind my work badge. That's just a little tip. I don't have that many subscribers, but maybe somebody might come across my video and watch it and learn from it, because I locked myself. And then, y'all, I was on Facebook earlier that day. I'm in a little women's trucker group on Facebook, and a girl was just saying she got locked out her truck. And I was like, oh my God, please God, don't let that happen to me. And I wasn't laughing. I wasn't like, she's stupid for locking herself out the truck. I wasn't doing none of that. I was praying that I did not lock myself out the truck. As soon as I stopped to get some gas, that same day, I locked my black ass out of the damn truck. But hey, if you don't make mistakes, you won't learn from that. So that was an accident, a mistake, and I learned from it. And now I keep my key around my neck. I keep my key around my neck. So hopefully somebody would take heed of this, because in the comment section on Facebook, they was telling her, well, you need to put a spare key up under your hood, somewhere up under your hood, by your tire, above your tire, or something like that. No, I'm not about to do all that. Because you got some sick, crazy people in this doggone world. You could be asleep at a doggone truck stop, rest area, and one of them sick individuals that could be snooping around your truck and go up under the doggone hood and get it and be up in here. And some people be talking about they be tying their doors down with seat belts. No, baby, let me show you what I got. Let me show you what I got. I wish I knew how to turn this camera around. I got this bad boy right here, a chain. I got a chain to lock my doors down, baby. I ain't got time for nobody to be talking about open up the door and you could cut the doggone seat belt. No, I got me a damn chain. You can't cut that. And if you do open up the door, the only way you be able to do that is if you bust the dog. You can't even open up the door. You bust the doggone window. And as soon as I hear somebody busting the damn window, I got something for that butt. Yes. Get y'all a little thing to go around your neck and put your spare key on that. I'm telling you now, don't ever say it won't ever happen to you, because it can. It happened to me. And it don't happen to other people too. So, there's something that you can think about. Get your little chain thing. And put your key right on the back of that. Then you have to worry about locking yourself out the door. Out the truck. Well, that's all I got for today. I might do another video because I got to stay out tonight. So I might do another video tonight. I don't know. I might wait till tomorrow. But I'm about to finish eating this little chicken and my rice. I don't want y'all to see me eating my rice, y'all. Because they ain't give me no type of doggone spoon or fork or nothing. So I'm going to have to be ghetto. And I'm going to have to take my top and I'm going to have to scoop it. So I ain't going to let y'all see me do that. But I'll get back with y'all. Have a good one.